Welcome to the Sensegood Instruments Private Limited. We are the manufacturer of the world's most affordable yet technologically advanced patented measurement instruments. Sensegood Instruments Private Limited is a leading manufacturer of the Sensegood Digital Moisture Analyzers, along with the various other instruments, including the color measurement instruments like color spectrophotometers, colorimeters, color difference analyzers, color consistency analyzers, reflectance meters, whiteness meters, yellowness testers, water activity meters, and more. Let us have a demonstration of the Sensegood Digital Moisture Analyzer, which is specifically this particular instrument is particularly made for the Isabgol or the Psyllium products. So I'll be demonstrating you how this measures the moisture of the Psyllium products. So this is a very handy and the portable instrument, and this particular product has presence in more than 45 countries. Let us look at how does it work. So you can look at this instrument, which is very easy to use, very portable instrument. There is an on-off switch which you can look at here, and there is an onboard sharp LCD which you can look here, and then the instrument operates only using the two switches, which is list and the test switch. So initially, to start the instrument, you just have to operate the on-off switch, and then the instrument will start. You can look onto the screen where his instructions are being shown. Initially, instrument gets self-calibrated, so it tears itself. You do not have to do any sort of calibration. It calibrates itself while turning it on. And the important thing which you need to take care here is the cavity of this instrument should be empty while you are turning on the instrument. Now, if you press this list switch, so then you will be able to see the change in the various commodities. You will be able to select various commodities using this list switch. So currently it shows Isabgol seed, which is the Psyllium seed, and it also shows that the amount of weight or the volume which is needed to measure that particular commodity. Currently it shows full volume, so you need to fill the hopper fully. If you want to change the commodity, you can press list again, and then now you can see it shows Isabgol husk, then Isabgol Lali, which is red husk, then Isabgol Gola, which is seed D husk, then husk powder of Isabgol, which is calibrated at 150 grams. And then you can also have additional commodities to complete the total of 8 commodities in the instrument. So you can also have like cumin, linseed, fennel, or any other commodity which is desired for you. So let us measure the moisture of the Isabgol seed, which currently shows that we need to have the full volume of the hopper. So currently the hopper is completely filled with the Isabgol seed. I just have to place it onto the top of the instrument. It fits easily. And then there is a lever onto the side of this hopper. I just have to press this lever so that the seed falls into the cavity of the instrument. I just have to remove this cavity, this hopper, and just have to press the test button. So it measures, once I press the test button, it measures the moisture of this seed. It takes a very few seconds, and then after the reading will be locked. You can see that currently it shows 9.4% of moisture, and uh, the temperature, measured temperature is 30.6 degrees Celsius. So actually the instrument compensates the moisture against the temperature measured, right? So it is very easy to use. Similarly, you can have any other commodity. Say suppose uh, instead of this, let us measure the moisture of the Psyllium husk, which is Isabgol husk. So I'll select the Isabgol husk here. Then it also shows that full volume. I have this Psyllium husk sample prepared. I just have to place it onto the top of the instrument and just have to press this lever. Sample goes in, and then just have to press test, and then you can see that it just quickly gives you the result 9.2% moisture. So the instrument is calibrated against the air oven standard, which is the international standard. Similarly, I can test the moisture of, see how easy it is uh, to taste the samples. Now let us have another sample, which is Gola. So I'm selecting Isabgol Gola, which is seed D husk. Again, it is a full volume. Just place the hopper, which is filled with Isabgol Gola, on the top of the machine and just press this lever. Sample falls in. Just press test button, and then you get the result. It's very easy to use. Shows that 9.7%, 9.6% moisture. So Isabgol Gola seed D husk has 9.6% of moisture for this sample, and it also measures the temperature. Let us take out this sample and let us measure another sample. Say I have Lali Isabgol. Let us select Isabgol Lali red husk. Okay, again it shows that it should be the full volume, so the cavity is fully filled, the hopper is fully filled. Just press the lever, sample goes in to the cavity is fully filled. Just press test button. Shows you 6.7% of moisture. So this is your dry sample little. Okay, so this is how it quickly measures the moisture content of various products of Isabgol. Similarly, we can have a husk powder, husk powder. So you can read here that it requires 150 grams. So now I have taken the 150 grams of powder, and then I'm pouring the same into this hopper, and then you can place this hopper onto the top of the instrument, and then you can place the lever and just press test. So now you can see that it measures the moisture as 10.8%. So this powder has this much of moisture, and the measured temperature is 30.3 degrees Celsius. The instrument actually compensates the measured moisture against the temperature,